Line up, march on. Your cage is called a career. Dig deeper into the red digs back. Born to suffer, born to bend. Waste my years for a shallow end. Dying alone with the ghost of routine. The cycle repeats, unseen, unseen. Paycheck chains polished with pride. The overseer smiles as the marrow drains. We trade the seconds of our pulse for scraps that feed the void. Gray hair woven from fluorescent light, lungs full of factories.